The ultimate sleeper, 1987 Buick Regal Turbo T with T-tops. She has the turbocharged 3.8 liter V6 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. She has a set of 22-inch 4G auto wheels. Frame and floor panels are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is absolutely beautiful. She has a little over 71,000 miles. One of my favorite G-bodies. And there she is, the turbocharged 3.8 liter V6, backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. 1965 Chevrolet Impala SS. She has a small block Chevy backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. Frame and floor panels are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is nice and clean. It's one bad ride, guys. And she has a small block Chevy backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes and power steering. 1987 Chevy Silverado R10. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. Frame and floor panels are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is in good shape. Nice little old truck, guys. Drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think. And there she is, the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC. 1996 Chevy Impala SS. She has a set of 22-inch Culture Classic reps. She has the LT1 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. Interior is nice and clean. She has a little over 27,000 miles. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. If you're looking for a B-body, this the one, guys. And there she is, the LT1 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8, backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC.